Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today we're going to talk about steel chimneys. Let me show you. Here we have our steel chimney. I just loosened it up right here and lifted this whole thing up. Right in there, those are squirrel paw prints. The problem with these steel chimneys is they're designed to breathe and ventilate, as well as get stuff up out of your fireplace or furnace or whatever. So what happens is when this is installed, you have an air gap here. So when this is mounted, I can put my hand up here and put my hand down here. Somehow a squirrel figured out that this is hollow inside, and it is now going down into the attic and nesting. So now we have to trap it and fix it.